I'm on the Independence of the Seas. Let's go ahead and get started with the tour. This is Jason here. We're gonna first take a look here at the Solarium pool. We're gonna go over the bridge here. It goes right over the pool. It's pretty cool because there's areas on either side of the pool for you to relax and just sit in without going all the way into the water. There are places to sit on the edge there where you can just put your feet in and relax. The Solarium bar is right in front of the pool if you like a refreshment. If you want to hang out in one of the chairs over to the side, they have wonderful views of the ocean. There's a chair for two. Also over here you'll find a hot tub. It's pretty cool because there's hot tubs on both sides of the Solarium pool and they have excellent views of the ocean. The Solarium pool is more toward the front. If we go all the way to the front, we'll find more loungers and independent dunes, the putt-putt golf course. It's decorated with palm trees, a lighthouse, a sandcastle, a bus, surfboards. It's pretty cool. Let's work our way more toward the back and check out the main pool area. There are a couple pools here and a few hot tubs. Before we head on down there, let's just take a look at the bar up here because it's a pretty cool place to sit and relax. There's a little bar with some stools. There's also some comfortable chairs with some umbrellas and a few couches. Let's head on down the stairs and check out the pools. Before we do, also keep in mind there is another pool bar down here. It has a circular bar. It's right in front of the pools and a big hot tub. To the left is the sports pool. To the right is the resort pool. In the middle is where events take place. And all the way at the end under the screen is where the live bands play. Over here, you'll also find a couple of more hot tubs, which is pretty cool. There's plenty of hot tubs on this deck. All the way to the left are some life jackets and more loungers. All the way to the end, you'll find soft serve ice cream. Right next to that is the Patty Dive Center. Right next to the ice cream and the Patty Dive Center is Splashaway Bay. It's a fun aqua area for kids. Here you'll find hot tubs, a pool, water slides, splash toys, and a lot of fun. We're gonna head on in. We're gonna take a look at the Winjammer Marketplace. When you first walk in, if you go to the left, you're gonna find one of the specialty restaurants, Giovannis Table. This is the Italian restaurant. Right across the hall is Chops Grille. This is the steakhouse. Both of these are specialties, so they are not included in your cruise fare. There's a link down below the description of the video which will explain which is specialty and which is complimentary and the pricing. In the middle of Giovanni's Table and Chops Steakhouse is a bar. To the left of the bar, the buffet begins, or you can go to the right side. It's open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Please make sure that you keep in mind that when you're ready to book, you give us a call. I'm gonna put my 1-800 number right there on the screen for you. It just makes sense to call us because when you book through us, you receive a discounted rate. And it's very nice when you can book a cabin and know that you're getting the best price, and that's what we offer, the best rate guaranteed. Just keep in mind that to get the best rate guaranteed, you must give us a call. These rates are not published on our website. You see, is what we offer is we offer unpublished rates. And we get these unpublished rates by getting exclusive deals from Royal Caribbean. We have our own groups and we have our own agency discounts. It's pretty amazing. And if you've already booked with Royal Caribbean or somebody else, you can still give us a call. We can still give you a quote. Let's head up a deck and head toward the back of the ship. Right here is Johnny Rockets. It's an old style diner. They're pretty famous for their burgers, and you should definitely get one of their milkshakes. You can sit at the counter if you like. Check this out. All the way at the back of the ship is the Flow Rider. The Flow Rider is a lot of fun. Try it if you dare. All you have to do is stay up. Before you ride the Flow Rider, you'll need to sign a waiver. You can do that right here, and you'll need your key card. You'll also find the Perfect Storm water slides back here and the Skypad. There are 2 water slides. They twist right around the side of the ship. Check out these hammocks. This looks like a pretty cool place to relax. And here's a little playground for kids to climb up. Right in front of the Skypad is a full basketball court, and right in front of that is the rock climbing wall. Let's head on up to deck 14 and take a look at Olive or Twist. There's a bar here over to the side. There's views of Splashaway Bay and the pool areas. There's a dance floor right here in the center. On deck 12, all the way at the front of the ship, is the spa and the fitness center. Here there is a beauty salon and a barber shop. Let's head down a deck. We'll go down these stairs and take a look at the fitness center. This fitness center is full of machines and free weights. I noticed they had a bench press. Also, if you'd like, they have dumbbells over here in the corner. They also offer spin classes, yoga classes. While you're on board, come check it out. Let's head on down to deck 5, take a look at the promenade. Before we go on to the promenade, let's take a look at the dining room. It's also on this deck. It also spans down 2 more decks. It's huge. When you get on the ship, look at your key card. It'll be written on there on which deck you're supposed to enter the dining room. Okay, this is the Royal Promenade. From here, there are stairs if you want to go down to deck 4. If you look up, you'll see windows. Those are promenade cabins. To the left is the champagne bar, but it's a full bar. A lot of people like to stop in here and grab a drink when they first get on the ship. Across from the champagne bar is the shore excursions desk. If you have any questions about your excursion, feel free to ask. You'll also find guest services over here. This is also where you can grab a cruise compass, which is the activities guide. Let's take a look at the promenade. When we first go out onto the promenade, we're going to come across Next Cruise. Next Cruise is a perfect place to book your next cruise because they offer excellent discounts. And remember, if you book with them, when you get back, give us a call. We can give you an additional discount. It's pretty cool. Right here is Cafe Promenade. Cafe Promenade is an excellent spot to grab a cup of coffee because they always have it. They also have tasty croissants, desserts, cookies, fruit, sandwiches, and it's all included in your cruise fare. Right across from Cafe Promenade is Sugar Beach. Right next to Sugar Beach is Ben & Jerry's if you'd like an ice cream, or a banana split, or a sundae, or choose many of their different toppings. I like to get the sundaes and add different toppings. It's pretty cozy. There's a counter right over here with stools, so you can enjoy it right here. Cool thing about the promenade is that there is a lot of action that takes place here. Sometimes there'll be live music. There'll also be dance parties like 80s parties and 70s parties. You'll have to check the cruise compass to see what time the parties begin, so that way you don't miss them. This is Vintages. This is the wine bar. You'll have to come in for one of their wine tastings, or at least just come in and enjoy a glass of wine at one of these comfortable couches. Let's head across the promenade and take a look at Ale and Anchor. I like the seating that they have out on the promenade. It's nice to have a drink there and people watch. Or you can sit inside and listen to live music. It's usually a solo singer, most likely playing an acoustic. Right in front of Ale and Anchor is a pretty neat entrance into the casino. We'll take a look at the casino here in a little bit. We're going to go in through the entrance on deck 4. A place that you'll definitely visit while you're on board is Sorrentos Pizza. It's a perfect spot to grab yourself a slice on the go, especially right when you get on board if you're a little hungry, or later on at night after you have had all those awesome parties. All the way to the front of the ship is the Star Lounge. Lots of different events take place in the Star Lounge. There is a dance floor, there is a place for a band, there's a stage there, there's a bar all the way in the corner. So check your cruise compass because definitely there is going to be a lot of events here. Let's head on down to deck 4. We're going to take a look at Izumi. You can dine at the Hibachi Grille, where the chef makes the food right in front of everybody, or at the sushi bar. This is part of the specialty dining. On the ship there is specialty and complimentary. If you want more information on the pricing, check out the link under the description of the video. This is Schooner Bar. If you like to sing along with everybody while the piano player sings all your favorite songs, it's a fun place to hang out. There's also a pretty cool bar here. All the way to the front of the ship is the Royal Theater. There's a lot of fine entertainment on the ship that takes place here in the Royal Theater, so make sure you check that cruise compass because you don't want to miss any awesome shows. Let's take a look at the Casino Royale. The casino sits right in the middle on deck 4, so you can get to it from here, or you can take those stairs on the Promenade. On the other side of the casino is Playmaker's Sports Bar. When you first walk in, you'll see a bunch of games, tables and chairs. A pretty cool spot to sit and relax is at the bar. There are plenty of screens to watch all your favorite sporting events, so guys, you're not going to miss any of those. You can play pool, or you can sit over here if you have a bigger party. Going out of Playmaker's Sports Bar on the other side is Boleros. That is the Latin bar. At nighttime, there will be Latin music played, dancing. A lot of people like to hang here at the bar at certain times. Let's head on down to deck 3. We're gonna pass right through the photo gallery. All the photos that photographers take of you on the ship will be here. All you have to do is swipe your card and you can check out the photos. This is Studio B. This is where you're going to watch all of the ice skating shows. They also offer ice skating sessions, and they'll also have different events here in this area. Let's head on back through. We're going to finish the tour off in the dining room. I just wanted to show you that this is the entrance to the dining room on deck 3. Now we can kind of look up a little bit. Hey! I'm Jason Newquist with cruisesit.com. Thank you for joining me on the tour, and remember, to get the best rate guaranteed, give us a call. Have a wonderful day.